You've probably heard it. UI design in 2026 is way too competitive, but that's only true if you're learning it the wrong way. Today on XD, I'm giving you the complete roadmap to mastering UI design. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to learn, how to practice, and how to position yourself ahead of 99% of designers in the game. Hey everyone, I'm Ali Reza and welcome to XD. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like on the video. Let's kick things off. Mastering UI design starts with understanding the basics. It doesn't matter how advanced the tools get. Without solid fundamentals, your designs won't be effective. First, get comfortable with core principles like contrast, alignment, balance, hierarchy, etc. These are essential for creating user-friendly designs. Next up, typography and color theory. Fonts, spacing, and color choices can make or break a design. Understand how typography affects readability and how color influences emotions. If you're struggling to find a comprehensive guide, my complete UI design course covers everything from basics to advanced techniques. Link in the description below. By the way, this first stage would take 2 to 4 weeks, but it really depends on your dedication. I know some students did it just in 1 week. Now that you've got the basics done, pick a digital tool to implement your skills. You don't need 30 tools, just essentials like Figma, Sketch, or Adobe XD. Just one of them is enough. Right now, Figma is the tool you want to focus on. It's cloud-based, collaborative, and used by top teams worldwide. Whether you're making wireframes, mockups, or prototypes, Figma's got you covered. Trust me, Figma is the best tool you can use right now, especially with its AI-powered features and some other perfectibilities. This stage also would take 2 to 4 weeks. Next up, you need to be a little familiar with UX design principles. Yes, you heard it right. UI design isn't just about making things look pretty. It's about creating a seamless user experience. As I always say, great UI comes from great UX. Get to know your audience, conduct surveys, interviews, and user testing. Understand their pain points, needs, and goals. Next, learn how to create user flows and personas. These are the blueprints of your design. A user flow shows the steps your users will take through your app or website, while personas help you stay focused on real people with real problems. Those necessary topics of UX is taught in my complete UI course, and this stage would take 2 to 4 weeks. Now, you need to stay up to date with the latest trends and advanced skills. Here's the deal. Dark mode, whether you like it or not, has become a standard, so you need to learn how to design for it. Or neumorphism and glass morphism give your designs a cool, futuristic vibe. And don't forget about micro interactions, those little animations that make your design feel alive, intuitive, and engaging. But the game changer in UI design these days, AI. Artificial intelligence is not the future anymore, it's happening right now. AI tools are becoming essential in design workflows, speeding up processes, and automating tasks. For example, AI can help you generate design systems, color palettes, typography pairings, and even analyze your designs for accessibility in minutes, not hours. That's a massive time saver. So to stay competitive, start integrating AI tools into your workflow. This stage would take 2 to 3 weeks for the first time, but you need to occasionally check it out. So when that you master these skills, what's next? Building your portfolio and gaining real-world experience. Let's start by redesigning popular apps or websites. Redesigning interfaces is one of the best ways to improve your skills. Or create your own projects from scratch. Yes, it takes time, but it's the effort that pays off. Let me stress this enough. Portfolio is everything. When I'm hiring, I ask for portfolios, but some candidates disappear after that. Every employer or client will ask for it, so make sure it's solid. And this last stage would take around 4 to 6 weeks. Okay, now that you've mastered these 5 main steps, it's time to dive into the real world and put your skills into action with real projects. There are tons of platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Behance where you can find clients. This gives you hands-on experience and helps you build your professional network. Remember, networking is the key. I mean it. Join design communities on platforms, share your work, ask for feedback, and learn from others. So, how long does it take to learn UI UX design and start working in the field? If you start dedicated, expect to spend about 3 to 4 months mastering the basics, tools, UX principles, and building your portfolios. The exact timeline depends on how much effort you put in. Some students complete it faster, others take a bit longer. But the key is consistency and applying what you learn. Once you've got the foundation, you'll be ready to take on real-world projects. With the right resources like my complete UI design course, you'll be on track to not just compete, but excel in the design world. You can check the link in the description below. Okay, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to Esligin, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. So feel free to ask me any questions. See you in the next video.